So today is the day. This is the day that the Galaxy Note 10 was officially released to the public. And in the studio, we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now in our previous video where we talked about the differences between the Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, I talked about some of the glaring differences between the two phones. And honestly, in my opinion, I think they're different enough to where each phone warrants its own separate review. And for now, we have the Note 10 Plus. If you guys want to see an actual full-fledged review over the Note 10, go ahead and drop us a comment and let us know. And we'll try and get that phone in the studio and review it for you guys. But like I said, for now we have the Note 10 Plus. And in terms of color, we have the Samsung and Best Buy exclusive Aura Blue. Now, I really wanted to get the Aura Glow, and believe me guys, I do have an Aura Glow device coming, but the pre-order that I had to submit through Samsung got delayed for various financial reasons. Without blowing it up, it's all Samsung's fault that I don't have the Aura Glow here in the studio today, but huge shout out to Best Buy for hooking me up with the Aura Blue color. And with that being said, go ahead and join me around the corner. Let's unbox this and figure out what's inside.
Alrighty, so obviously, the box of the Note 10 looks really similar to the Note 9 in that it just tells you what model phone it is, and then it has a depiction of the S Pen. With the Aura Blue color, it looks like we just get a completely solid blue S Pen, which is nice. On the left side of the box, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. On the right, there's nothing. Top, there's nothing. And obviously on the back, it's going to talk about what's actually inside this box, but that's why you guys are here. So, in typical Samsung fashion, as soon as you open it up, you're greeted to the phone, and this is the Note 10 Plus. Wow, right off the bat, I went to turn it on, looking for the power button on the right side of the phone. Everything's on the left side of the phone, so that's nice. Let's go ahead and power it up. And there is that Aura Blue color. Like I said in the intro, we are working on getting that Aura Glow in, and we will get it in. It's just a matter of time, but for now, we needed to have a phone to unbox for you guys because it's launch day, and you can't have launch day without a phone. Wow, that's fun. Kind of flimsy Samsung pamphlet there that kind of covers your accessories. And this is cool. So we have a super fast. Cool. So Bixby is going to talk to us, guiding us through the steps. That's nice. We have a super fast charging USB-C wall charger. This is not to be confused with the new 45 watt fast charger that Samsung introduced. That will be something that you have to purchase separately if you guys want to be able to take advantage of that ridiculously super fast charging. Let's see what's in this little thing. Samsung always does this strange type of packaging where they manage to fit everything in like this super small this super small type of space. I don't know what this is. I think I got confused by this last year as well. This seems to be some sort of clip. I'm not exactly sure what this is used for. If anyone knows what that's used for, please let me know because it honestly beats me, and I don't even use the one that was included on my Note 9. But this is nice. It looks like you have a USB-A to USB-C adapter. May help you transfer some data from one of your old devices to this device. So that's always nice to see that Samsung is including that in the box. And what else do we have in here? I think it's pretty basic. We have there's a black USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and that's gonna go with our power brick here. And on the top, obviously you have your USB Type-C headphones. That was something that Samsung kind of caught some flack for with the Galaxy Note 10 in that they kept the headphone jack on the S10 and the S10 Plus, but they killed the headphone jack on the Note 10. Kind of disappointed there. For me personally, the lack of a headphone jack is not that big of a deal. I've got way too many Bluetooth headphones. I can't even keep track of them. But I feel like Samsung should have made the decision a little more uniform, and they probably should have cut the headphone jack out maybe with the S11 and kind of started fresh next year with that. But I guess they just kind of pulled the plug like Apple typically does. So we do have some plastic. Let's see if we can get some of that sound. I don't know if you guys are able to hear that. Hopefully you do. But and another nice touch that I see here is that with the screen off, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but there is a pre-installed screen protector, which is nice because a lot of times you'll have a hard time finding a screen protector for these devices with curved displays. But it looks like that's about everything you're going to go and get in the box. The crazy part about this situation is I'm switching from a phone that I really like, and that phone is right here. It is the OnePlus 7 Pro. I have really enjoyed this phone, and I've been using it for the past month and a half or so, and it's got a lot of good things going for it. So I'm hoping the Note 10 can actually be a true successor to a phone like the OnePlus 7 Pro, but I guess we'll find out.
All right, guys, so that was everything that's inside the box with the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And normally, whenever we get new phones in the studio, for me to switch from one Android phone to another, that's not too big of a deal. But I feel like this particular switch in general carries a little more weight than it has in the past, mainly because I was coming from the OnePlus 7 Pro, which I've been using now for the last month and a half. And I gotta say, I really, really enjoy it. That 90 hertz display, the performance, the fact that the screen has no bezels, everything about the phone is really, really nice. And I'm just hoping that the Note 10 Plus can live up to the successor hype that is following the 90 hertz OnePlus 7 Pro, especially considering the new Note line does not have those buttery 90 hertz refresh displays. So we'll see how it goes. If you guys want to be notified for our Note 10 Plus review, make sure you subscribe and make sure you click that little bell icon so you guys actually receive that notification. We will be posting the review here in about probably a week and a half to 2 weeks because we have some other cool stuff coming in that we want to film and show you guys. So like I said, be sure you hit subscribe. Let me know if you guys got a Note 10 Plus on launch day. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.